Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today I will tell you how you can create thumbnails for YouTube video in just 2 minutes. First, open canva.com. And then, search for YouTube thumbnail. You can see a lot of pre-built thumbnails. If you like anyone, you can use it. You can also search for particular thumbnails like gaming thumbnails and choose from it. If you don't like any of them, create your own. You can upload images for system. Search for photos, elements, and even you can add text. Check out canva.com and let me know you like it or not in comment section. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. And also let me know have you like this voice. I will tell you about the app I am using.